This is the Bite of 87.
Hey, all you pirate fans, head on down to the Pirate Cove because the show's about to start. It's our good old pal, Foxy. Foxy. I know he's around here somewhere. You call him out. Foxy. Yeah, kids. Foxy. Last time keep nice and loud, so we can get him out here. Foxy!
Yarmy mateys, it's me, Foxy, and welcome to the Pirate's Cove. Freddy best be getting back to the stage, or I'll be forced to make him walk the plank.
Have fun, kids, and let's keep ourselves safe when exploring Pirate Cove.
You best be getting back to the stage, landlubber, because these little ones are now part of the Pirate's crew. When in the Pirate Cove, remember to adventure safe, kiddies, and no running around the cove, or else ye be lost forever. Ye be walking the plank. Aye, is it swashbuckling adventures that ye be seeking, lads? Or is it that? Or is it that you're not akin to the seven seas? Oh, pirates, give me an arg. Help me. Arg. I be seeing you already walking about with your pizza in hand, and your swordy pops like proper CBB pirates, and like proper sea pirates do.
Mommy,
We
look!
have ourselves a sea shanty.
Have it to the lights on it, Mom.
That's nice, dear. Don't climb on it.
There's a hook for him. Look, Mom.
Little girl, sweetie, you can't get that close to Foxy. It's not, you really shouldn't be up there.
You're not my mom. You can't tell me what to do.
Ma'am, please ask your